Guys, I thought that I'd come on here and explain just a couple of the features of the LinkedIn Premium version because I've had a lot of people on my job searching strategy coaching sessions ask me, Trisha, is it worth the investment of the hundreds of dirham or dollars, depending on what currency that you're converting it to, for what you actually get? So let me share my screen with you so that you can see exactly the features that Premium offers you, and then you can make up your choice from an informed decision. So lately, well, I shouldn't say lately, but recently, over the last few months, LinkedIn has made some changes from their basic to their premium options of what you pay. So in a nutshell, you can refine your job search by ticking that you're a top applicant, ticking that this is a top choice of job for you. You can apply advanced search filters. You can use the AI aspect of it to be able to support writing your profile. I don't really advise that because then you actually end up looking quite similar to everyone else who's used this. So keep going with personalized approaches, in my opinion. It also offers some interview preparation tips and tricks for you, and then it'll give you insights into being able to who has viewed your profile. Now, this is really important because a lot of people don't follow up on who has viewed their profile and go in and create some conversations around accessing or viewing the profile. It's a conversation enabler. Additionally, 5 emails per month if you've got premium, and then you're able to support AI is able to support you write the emails to them. Again, I don't actually recommend this. I still believe that you should be adding a personalized touch to it because if everyone's doing AI messages, you actually don't end up standing out, and it's not unique to the individual that you're targeting. There's lots of areas that you can access on the LinkedIn Learning. Again, that can close some skill gaps to you. That's personalized to your job search journey. But what I really wanted to reiterate on is who has viewed your profile is absolutely essential. Make sure that you actually go into their profile and type the message and say, I noticed that you went onto my profile. Did you find anything of interest? I'd love to be able to see how we could take this conversation further, or we could discuss opportunities that are beneficial, etc. So it's a really great place to start to drive conversations. Additionally, the basic option of LinkedIn doesn't offer that many emails, whereas you get 5 a month when you've got the premium version. Another aspect that you could consider is actually the Sales Navigator. So I would recommend comparing the difference between Sales Navigator and LinkedIn Premium, because what happens is in the Sales Navigator, you can actually create, it's like a bit of a CRM, to be honest. You can actually create a list of your stakeholders, what category they belong to, email them from the Sales Navigator platform, and everything is really quite organized. So I can show you a little video of how Sales Navigator works. The only thing is that sometimes the response rate can be a little bit less from what I found in comparison to LinkedIn Premium email boxes, because it goes into another email box separately to the LinkedIn itself. So just food for thought, but I would recommend these days, I know it is costly, but I would recommend having LinkedIn Premium if you're job searching, unfortunately, because the basic features no longer meet the requirements that are really needed for a job search. All right, hope it's been beneficial to you.